Hello everyone, so how are you? So in this video I'm going to show you a trick, a shortcut through which you can add a subtitle in your any video. Yes, any video, even if it is playing on your laptop, on a YouTube or any other platform. Okay, you just have to press the three keys. Okay, so what are these keys? First you have to play a video. I will show you the. You don't need to, means it's not necessary to start a video, but for just showing you, let's play this one of my videos. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you. Click on it, okay, and select that file that you have downloaded. So now I will press select this Window and Control plus L. Okay, it's here. So here you can see ready to caption in English. So you will see the options like this in your and now the subtitles are start. In zoom source, select this option. It will be none. It was none, but you have to select your display, which display you are using right now. Like so right like now, this, how you can do this display capture photo, and I want this it's feature very easy to work now. In that there are other options in which you can move it. Okay, and go to settings and click on positions. Now above the screen, or you want it below the screen, so it will show up downstairs. Okay, and if I want to click on, again click on settings, click on, I prefer to use overlay it on screen. Okay, it was much better to move it anywhere. Then click on caption language. You can add a language from there if you want. If you want Hindi or if you want any other language, you just add here a language. Okay, and select add language, and you can add any language from there. Okay, speech recognition. That's the feature here. First, it will hear the voice, and after that, it will write it. So if you lower the volume of your video, it will not show the subtitles. Okay, and now the third option here is a preference. Click on filter profanity, include microphone audio, and then caption style. Through caption style, you can add captions like default to white on black, small caps, large text like this. Okay, or yellow on blue, never small caps. Oh, it's like it looks cool. Yes, so if I save it, oh, it's a live caption. You can on a live caption from there. I will click on it, so it will show me like this. So it's a simple and very easy. You don't need to download the subtitles, or you don't need to add subtitles. Just Window plus Control plus L, then all the subtitles will show on your video. Try this and follow for more videos like this.